Introduce features you looking for and fast overview on NuWave Brio 6 Quart Air Fryer with app recipes. Black, includes basket divider. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. The Brio uses superheated air and a special airflow designed to cook crispy delicious fried foods without messy oil and extra fats and calories. Flavor infusion technology allows you to air fry all your favorites. Even cook from frozen, without defrosting. Perfect for busy households on the go. The Brio's cooking technology means you can use it for virtually every meal of the day, and dessert. With a cooking range from 100°F to 400°F degrees, adjustable in 5-degree increments, and you can air fry, broil, roast, grill, bake, reheat and even dehydrate all in one appliance right on your countertop. With the basket divider you can ever cook 2 things at the same time. This is one appliance that does it all. The 6 Quart Brio is the perfect size for cooking 3 pounds of French fries, 4 chicken breasts, over 2 pounds of wings and much more. It's compact for small apartments, RVs, and dorm rooms. The perfect size for singles or couples. The Brio features high-quality stainless steel racks and a stainless steel drip tray. All the pieces go into the dishwasher and cleanup is fast and easy. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.